Hello guys, it's Dr. Haverkorn with River City Oral Surgery in San Antonio, Texas. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We are over 2,000 subscribers now on YouTube. I really appreciate that. According to YouTube, I've made about $4 or something. But really, that's not what this is about. I just kind of enjoy talking and teaching and doing videos. And I know you guys love the pus and hopefully some of the other stuff too. But maybe I'm just here for the pus. Anyway, we hit the 2,000 subscribers. I told you if we got to that level that I was going to upgrade equipment, and step one is complete. Right here. You see the microphone. You'll probably hear it crackling from me touching it, but the audio should be better. In the operating room, I'll be able to use this. I'll be able to use this microphone with my camera on my headlight. We'll get some better videos. And I've got several boxes here. We're going to do a little unboxing of what all we got from Amazon. Let's start here. Not even sure what's in each of these. Who knows, maybe I could have a nice little surprise, something my wife ordered that I didn't know was coming. Oh yeah, okay. So this is a miniature tripod that I ordered. Of course you get the lens cleaning stuff. And then here we've got the expandable cell phone GoPro holder with a screw in it for mounting to camera fixtures. And all right, this is it. So this is a little tripod that I found on Amazon. It's clearly very easy for a surgeon to operate. But yeah, this will let me do some videos right here. It's got some other little gizmos and pieces that I'm sure I will figure out later. All right, so very good. I got a better tripod to use, step one. Next, this is a good one here. This is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I did cheat a little bit and opened this one up earlier, and I didn't take anything out of the box, but I just wanted to smell the camera. So let's get rid of this stuff. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, great. All right, got me a rechargeable battery pack right here. And it turns out that that little tripod I just showed you works really well, because my suction cup holder, window holder for a cell phone that I bought at the Love's truck stop just fell over while I was making this video. So hey, the timing couldn't be better. Now, here it is, the GoPro. This bad boy will fit in, excuse me, my surgical headlight mount. So if you look in some of the videos, most of the videos, you'll see the surgical headlight that I wear, and it has a GoPro mount that'll go right here above the light, and I will be able to film a first-person view of the surgery. So this is what I typically wear in surgery. This bad boy will go right here. I can adjust it, and you guys will be watching what I'm watching when I do surgery. I'm pretty excited about that. I hope it's as cool as I think it is. But like most things in life, it may not be. This was a package deal that I got on Amazon. It also came with a 32 gigabyte memory card, the GoPro itself, the rechargeable battery that I showed you, and then also this thing. I think I've told you before, every good surgeon has a knife, right? It also came with this thing, which is, like a selfie stick. Oh, it has a tripod. Oh, whatever. I'll see which one I like better. But I got a selfie stick here that I can use, and it makes a taller tripod like this. So I'm hoping, maybe in the operating room or something that'll be useful. So I'm working to get you guys better videos, and yeah, I know the light's bad, but look, hey, the sun's coming through my window over here, and at least I've managed to fix that for this video, sort of. It's almost like I know how to use a camera, almost. Let's see what came in here. Oh yeah. So this bad boy I'm pretty excited about. Let me open it up and show it to you. Some of you will recognize what this is already. Okay, here it is. This is the part I need. So in my clinic, not so much in the ORs, but in my clinic, I've got ceiling tiles. You see them right there? Ceiling tiles, okay? I've seen them a bazillion times. So this is a camera holder that will hang from the ceiling. Those, you know, the metal rails that separate the ceiling tiles? Well, I got a bracket right here. If I can get it. Right here. Totally awesome. Nothing boring about this video at all. Maybe I'll squeeze a zit at the end and make you happy, or maybe I won't. Gotta watch to find out. All right, so that will hook onto the metal rails. So the rail would sit right here and this thing clamps onto it. And then this bad boy hangs down like so from the ceiling. Put your GoPro or your video camera or your regular camera right here. And now I've got a camera. So now I can have a camera on my head. I can suspend a camera from the ceiling. And we can still use my cell phone as like a roving camera. So I'll have lots of footage and no time to edit it. That will be awesome. All right, let's put that back together before I lose it. All right, next we've got a battery charger for the GoPro. Won't run out of batteries with that. And what else is here? I don't even remember what I've ordered here. I want to say, okay. Yeah. So this is a dual arm camera mount that I got. And the reason I got it is it's supposed to be, okay, that's for the camera. It is supposed to be, oh, here we go. This is what I'm looking for. It's about to get a little disappointed. Let's move that over. Let's move this over. It's a clamp. So this will allow me to clamp a camera to, say, an IV pole in the operating room, or also maybe onto like a table or some other surface in the operating room, and hopefully get me some good shots for you guys. I'll have to play with it a little bit, but it looks like this will just screw into that. How do it work? Oh, okay, right here. Got it. Why would I read the instructions? Answer, I wouldn't. Okay. So we could clamp this onto an IV pole, and then it's got a place, it's got two attachment points, so you can put a camera and a light, or camera and a boom mic, or whatever you want on there. So I will have to learn how to use that, but it looks good. Looks like it's going to do what I want it to do. All right, let's put that over here. And we got one more box to open. Here we go. Cha-ching. What is this? Ah, okay. Got a remote control for the GoPro. So this could be real handy in the operating room. We have sterile plastic bags that this could go in, and I could actually put it on this field, and with my sterile gloves on, I can control the camera. So that would be potentially really handy. Or a waste of money. I don't know yet. Okay, and then the last thing is this Amazon Basics Amazon GoPro case that's supposed to hold all my GoPro equipment. Feel like it's, there we go. Oh, it's okay. I didn't read it close enough. It's customizable, so tear the foam out to make it however you want. But we got the GoPro Black Hero 7. I don't know a lot about these things, but this is the newest one, so hopefully it'll last me for a long time, and I'll learn about it. We got the batteries, we got the remote, we got different tripods, and then we got those different mounts. I got the ceiling mount, I got the clamp mount, so I can clamp it onto an IV pole. Hopefully we're gonna have some even better videos for you guys. I can make it even more interesting. I do have, let's see, right now, I put up that iPus video last. I am editing a implant video. I'm editing a video from the summer where I took off somebody's mandible. We did another video too. I've got at least, oh yeah, I know what I've got. I've got a video of me taking a lump off of a patient's back, and another video of me taking a lump off of somebody's eyebrow. So we've got some good videos I'm already working on. This equipment will hopefully let me get even better videos. The audio's improved. The lights, you know, I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Maybe when we get to 3,000 subscribers, I'll do the lights. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your support. I appreciate all the subscriptions, the likes, the shares. What else should I tell you? The practice is doing well. It's growing. People continue to be really happy with our prices. I see patients from every neighborhood of San Antonio, and that is what I really like about this practice. And actually, not even that, I get patients driving over 100 miles to come in. I've had patients drive a couple hundred miles already to come in. I like that we can set our prices at a place where we can serve every neighborhood. You don't have to be stinking filthy rich to come in here, and we can help you. So anyway, if there's anything we can do for you guys, let us know. Check out the website, www.rivercityoms.com. Phone number is 210-778-0002. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.